Hello and welcome. We're so glad you could join us today. If you're looking to discover how to make money online using high-quality videos without spending a dime, you're in the right place. Imagine having access to thousands of high-quality videos that you can use to make money, all without spending a single dollar. Today we'll explore 4 ways to find these videos for free, how to use them legally on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, and how to turn these videos into a lucrative income stream. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand what not to do. Avoid downloading videos from TikTok and re-uploading them to platforms like YouTube without significant modifications. This is illegal and can prevent you from monetizing your content. Let's jump into the first source, royalty-free videos. Platforms like Faceless and Pixabay offer a wealth of royalty-free videos that you can use for commercial purposes. While you don't need to credit the original videographer, it's always a good practice to show appreciation. For example, a YouTube channel called Scenic Scenes uses this strategy to generate up to $15,000 a month through YouTube AdSense alone. They compile videos of wild animals, and one of their videos has over 11 million views. To create similar content, visit pexels.com, search for your desired topic, and download videos. For YouTube, ensure the videos are in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Use free editing tools like CapCut or iMovie to compile the videos, add music from YouTube's audio library, and upload them to your channel. Aim to post 3 to 5 videos per week to build momentum. The second source is government websites like NASA, which offer stunning public domain footage. Channels like Space Shorts utilize this footage to create engaging content, generating millions of views. A video featuring a space shuttle landing has over 18 million views. Next, consider the content combination strategy. This involves compiling short clips from various sources, adding music and commentary to create unique videos. This method can help you avoid copyright issues while maximizing your content output. Lastly, the short content strategy allows you to repurpose longer videos, like webinars, into shorter clips. Break down a 90-minute webinar into 9 10-minute segments, optimizing each for different platforms. To monetize your efforts, explore options like TikTok's Creator Fund, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With consistency and creativity, you can build a successful online presence and potentially earn significant income over time. Remember, success takes time, but with dedication, you can achieve your goals. If you found this information valuable, consider sharing it with others. Happy creating. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart marketing strategies.